What if I told you there's one hidden reason why so many people feel broke, even as they make more? It's not low income, not bad investments, and not even debt. It's lifestyle creep, also called lifestyle inflation. Here's how it works. You get a raise or a bonus, you feel great, you deserve better, right? So you start upgrading your life. A nicer apartment, new gadgets, more dinners out. Pretty soon your expenses grow to match your income, and your savings or investments, they stay the same or disappear entirely. That's lifestyle creep in action. It sneaks up on you. You don't feel richer, you just spend more and end up in the same place. Research shows former luxuries quickly become perceived necessities as income increases. You may be earning more, but if you're spending more, you aren't winning financially. So what's the punchline? Real wealth isn't about what you earn, it's about what you keep. People earning modest paychecks who live below their means often build more wealth than high earners who keep upgrading their lifestyle. How do you beat lifestyle creep? First, set a lifestyle cap. Don't upgrade everything as soon as your income grows. Let your upgrades happen only after you've secured your future, like savings and investments. Second, automate your savings. Make saving automatic before you even see your paycheck. That way you learn to live on less, even as your income increases. Third, do regular money audits. Ask yourself, am I spending more because I truly enjoy it, or just because I can? Cut what doesn't match your deeper goals. Lifestyle creep often feels like progress, but it's what keeps people living paycheck to paycheck, even if they make a lot of money. Imagine two people. One earns $40,000 and saves diligently. The other earns $120,000 but spends it all. Guess who ends up with more financial freedom? It's not the higher earner. When you resist lifestyle creep, a raise becomes freedom, not a reason to shop. You move forward, not sideways. So here's your challenge. If your income grows, great, but resist the urge to upgrade everything. Ask, is this upgrade working toward my future or just making me look richer? That wealth killer most people don't talk about. It's creeping into your life, and it's quieter than most others. The good news, once you see it, you can stop it. So what choice will you make today? Drop a comment. What's one thing you won't upgrade next time your income goes up? If this made you pause before spending, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more real money advice.